Welcome back to Color Vistas. Sublimation is an incredible printing technique, but if you want your designs to look their absolute best, getting your heat press settings just right is crucial. Whether you're working with t-shirts, mugs, or other sublimation blanks, mastering the correct temperature, time, and pressure will make all the difference. In today's video, I'll take you through the step-by-step process of setting your heat press for results. We'll cover everything from preparing your materials to troubleshooting common problems so you can confidently achieve vibrant, durable designs. Let's dive in. The heat press is at the heart of every sublimation project. It's the tool that transforms your sublimation paper and ink into vibrant, permanent designs bonded to your substrate. To get started, you'll need to set the right combination of temperature, time, and pressure. Each of these factors plays a vital role in ensuring your design transfers smoothly and with accurate colors. Temperature is where it all begins. Sublimation ink needs to reach a specific heat level to turn into a gas and bond with the polyester fibers or polymer coating of your substrate. Generally, the ideal temperature falls between 375 degrees and 400 degrees. If the heat is too low, the ink won't activate properly, leaving you with faded or incomplete designs. If the temperature is too high, it can lead to blurred lines, distorted colors, or even damage to the substrate. For polyester fabrics, temperatures around 385 degrees to 400 degrees work perfectly, while hard surfaces like mugs and coasters typically require closer to 400 degrees. Once the temperature is set, the next key element is time. Most sublimation projects require about 45 to 60 seconds of heat application, though some substrates like mugs or ceramic tiles may need up to 90 seconds or more. Timing is everything in sublimation. If you press for too long, the ink may bleed or cause the design to appear blurry. On the other hand, pressing for too short a time can leave the transfer incomplete, resulting in dull or patchy prints. Always refer to the guidelines provided by your substrate manufacturer and run test prints when working with new materials to dial in the perfect timing. Pressure is the final piece of the puzzle. For the ink to transfer evenly, your sublimation paper needs to maintain consistent contact with the substrate. Too much pressure can leave marks, cause the design to shift, or even damage the substrate, while too little pressure can result in uneven transfers or ghosting. Most projects benefit from medium pressure, which provides a firm hold without excessive force. For curved items like mugs or tumblers, ensuring even pressure is especially important to avoid gaps in the design. Now that we've covered the basics, let's go through the step-by-step process of setting up your heat press. First, turn on your heat press and allow it to preheat to the required temperature. While it's warming up, prepare your substrate by cleaning its surface thoroughly. For fabrics, use a lint roller to remove stray fibers. And for hard surfaces like mugs or tiles, wipe them down with rubbing alcohol to eliminate dust, oils, or residue. Next, align your sublimation paper with the substrate. Position the paper so the design is facing the surface to be transferred onto. Secure the paper with heat-resistant tape to prevent it from shifting during the pressing process. Proper alignment is key to avoiding ghosting or misaligned designs. For larger items or fabrics, pre-press the material for a few seconds to remove any moisture or wrinkles before attaching the sublimation paper. With your substrate ready to go, place it in the heat press. Cover it with a protective Teflon sheet or parchment paper to shield your heat press from ink residue and prevent scorching. Close the press firmly to apply the appropriate pressure and start the timer. Be careful not to move the substrate once the press is closed, as even slight shifts can cause ghosting or double images. When the timer goes off, carefully open the heat press and remove the substrate using heat-resistant gloves, as it will be hot. Allow it to cool slightly before peeling off the sublimation paper to reveal your design. A successful transfer will show vibrant colors, crisp details, and a smooth finish. If the results aren't quite what you expected, it's time to troubleshoot. Faded or dull prints often indicate that the temperature or time wasn't sufficient. Double-check your heat press settings and ensure the substrate is compatible with sublimation. Blurry or distorted designs may be caused by overheating or leaving the substrate in the press for too long. Adjust the settings slightly and try again. If ghosting occurs, where a faint shadow of the design appears beside the original, it's likely due to the sublimation paper shifting during pressing. Secure the paper more firmly next time and ensure the substrate remains stationary. Different substrates may require slight adjustments to your heat press settings. For polyester t-shirts, aim for a temperature of 385 degrees to 400 degrees, with a pressing time of 45 to 60 seconds. For mugs, use a mug press set to around 400 degrees and press for 180 to 240 seconds. Ceramic tiles and other hard surfaces often work best at 400 degrees for 60 to 90 seconds. Always consult the manufacturer's recommendations for your specific substrate to avoid guesswork. If you're running a sublimation business, consistency is key to producing high-quality products. Create a log of your successful settings for different substrates, including temperature, time, and pressure. This makes it easy to replicate results and maintain uniformity across batches. Investing in high-quality substrates and materials also minimizes variability and ensures a professional finish. To maximize the lifespan of your heat press, regular maintenance is essential. Clean the platen frequently to remove ink residue or scorch marks and check that the pressure adjustment mechanism operates smoothly. Proper care will ensure your heat press performs reliably over time, saving you from costly repairs or replacements. For beginners, practice is key to mastering heat press settings. Start with simple projects like coasters or t-shirts to build your confidence before tackling more complex items like mugs or all-over designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings to see what works best for your specific equipment and materials. And there you have it, a guide to mastering sublimation heat press settings. By understanding the interplay of temperature, time, and pressure, you can create vibrant, durable designs that stand out every time. Whether you're crafting for fun, making personalized gifts, or running a business, perfecting your heat press technique is the key to success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended heat presses, sublimation supplies, and other tools where applicable. Visit my website for more tips, guides, and creative inspiration. Link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation projects in the comments. See you in the next video.